The crypto market is going absolutely crazy as we saw an insane pump this morning, but in addition to that, right after that, we saw a crazy crash. Now, there are some crazy things happening in the government concerning new crypto bills. We have the Fed speaking about raising interest rates and a whole bunch of other things that can directly affect cryptos like we've never seen before. So make sure you watch this video if you want to find out where cryptos are now headed. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. And if you love cryptocurrencies, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Follow all of my socials, check out all of the links in my video description. And if you want to get access to the most profitable trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, go ahead and join my Patreon right now. The link is in my video description where you can speak to me on the phone. You can actually message me every day. We can build you a portfolio and you can get access to this new crypto that's coming out tomorrow that could potentially 50x or 100x in a single day. And if you want to learn how to day trade cryptocurrencies, technical analysis, and trade cryptos as an actual job creating passive income, go ahead and join my crypto trading course, all-inclusive course, while it is 40% off. The link is milesginvestments.teachable.com. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight into the video, but do not forget to get your 2 free stocks from WEBULL. Below, all you have to do is create an account with my link below and deposit 1 penny and you will get 2 free stocks worth up to $3,500. So as we saw this morning, the market was pumping like crazy. And just from the other day, if you would have bought the dip for Ethereum, just an example, you would have made 25% on a single trade. It's absolutely crazy. And the market is still continuing to go up. But here is the thing. So the market pumped and was going up as the expectation of the Fed meeting happened today. And what people were actually thinking is that the Fed was going to say something very, very positive. And the reason why cryptos were actually going down these several days prior was because people were fearful of a particular event which could have happened today. Maybe bad news that the Fed would have said. And there was some other FUD and governmental things causing more FUD. But here is the thing. The market actually rose very, very fast, very quickly, and it is still continuing to go up. So as we take a look at the crypto charts, sharp rise and recovery, and then we had a pretty significant dip. And that dip happened because in that Fed meeting, there was some things that the Fed chairman spoke, who is Jerome Powell, and they were kind of concerning because he was speaking that the inflation rates are more likely to rise. And as inflation rates are more likely to rise, that would not be good for this economy. It would not be good for the stock market. And at least for the short term, it's not good for crypto markets. But because things have gone down so hard and so fast, bad news is not going to be affecting us like it has already done, because cryptos and the stocks are super, super low. They are super cheap and they're in a big correction. Eventually, when it is any market, no matter how bearish things are, they have to bottom out. And even if the news is really bad, they can still go up because prices are so discounted and people are coming out of the woodwork to buy these dips. Let me know if you are one of those woodsmen coming out from the woods to buy these dips. In addition, there's more fear and FUD, which is also pushing the prices down, at least from the top of this morning, as we are starting to see recovery now from that dip. But what we also saw was some Fed, in addition to the Fed chair speaker, but also there are some crypto policy groups out there and they are warning of a disastrous provision in the new US bill. So as we go down in this article, we can see that the government is trying to crack down to a degree on cryptocurrencies. They are trying to put some more regulations in place against ransomware attacks, against financial crimes, and that's actually a good thing. But there are some things hidden within these crypto bills that are trying to inhibit cryptocurrencies to grow the best, to make the best moves. So that's what's happening. But if we take a look at CoinMarketCap, even after the dip of this morning, most cryptos are still green, and that is a beautiful sight to behold. Let me know if you agree with that. So most cryptos are green, some are red, but the market is definitely looking good from this morning. And the last couple of days, we are starting to recover, as we are seeing. Now, here are some of the things that the Fed chair speaker spoke about, which of course is causing some fear, causing some FUD. And we also saw when he spoke, the stock market dropped. He talked about there's going to be some relief on the supply chain side because a lot of prices are rising continually, like used cars, new cars, because of inflation and because of supply chain. So eventually he said that that is going to be better, There's an upside risk to inflation. They're going to be reducing the balance sheet. They're going to be walking on a tightrope financially. The economy no longer needs sustained high levels of monetary policy. There's a whole bunch of things that he talked about. And in addition, they're talking about raising interest rates and all of these things. Crypto tax, crypto infrastructure, crypto FUD, crypto regulation is definitely putting a hamper on this current market. But in my opinion, as we have been taking a very deep dive into the charts, what we are seeing, ladies and gentlemen, is surely a sign of a recovery. We are forming some recovery structure, and that is a very good thing. The current pattern that we are forming is an inverse head and shoulders, which I told you guys days ago, that is very likely that this might actually be the bottom of the market as we are forming this inverse head and shoulders, which most of the time signals for us, as we see this psychological pattern forming, a bullish reversal or a pump coming soon. Make sure you continue to watch because I have some more information. So we are seeing this bullish formation form on technical analysis, which is relevant to every cryptocurrency that we hold, whether it's Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and so forth. This is literally the whole crypto market, and it is how it is moving. So we saw a sharp spike this morning and we saw a dip, but the dip got eaten up very quickly, and it is very likely that we will continue this uptrend since this reversal. And at least in the immediate short term, it's very likely that we will continue to go up. But there are always FUD, there's always news, there are things that can definitely stop this recovery from happening. But here is the very thing: the new addresses of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, new wallets that are being created are skyrocketing right now. That means people are preparing to buy the dip. People are getting ready to jump in cryptos like we've never seen before, because cryptos, even though they are going down behind the scenes, the things that are happening are very, very, very bullish. There are more people getting into crypto like we've never seen before. There's new wallets, there's people, big miners, big entities. They're not selling, they're buying the dips. The whales right now are buying the dips, ladies and gentlemen. And if the whales are buying the dips, like El Salvador, they're buying the dip. Whenever cryptos crash, we have huge whales. Some of the biggest crypto whales, they are buying the dip. They're not selling, they're not trading. They're literally buying the dip. They're dollar cost averaging, because cryptos can only go down forever. As we see, we are in a massive correction, but we can only drop so far. We can't literally drop to zero, but it's possible, sure. But remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. It's just my own opinion. But the market is still very bullish in the long term. Right this very second, yes, we are in a very violent downtrend, but we are seeing signs of recovery. So we should not be losing all hope. We should not be freaking out. We should not be panicking, but we should be looking forward to getting into these dips if we are able to, and looking forward to the recoveries that soon happen. Because a lot of times in the crypto market, when things are very bearish, when people are scared, when people are panicking, that sentiment can change like that very, very quickly, because things can recover and bounce up very fast and like we've never seen before. Who would have expected the whole market would have seen a 30% gain in literally 2 days? Absolutely crazy. I would be concerned if the market dropped and continued to drop and drop and drop, which was looking like it was going to happen. But since we have bounced up really fast, it is showing the strength in the buyers. It is showing the strength in these bulls who are getting ready to take off. Now, in addition, there's going to be a new coin that is launched tomorrow, most likely around 7 p.m. Eastern time, and it is called Baby Lambo Inu. I will be putting the Telegram links below, their Twitter. You can check out their website, babylamboinu.io. Definitely check it out. It looks like an incredible opportunity. They are doing a fair launch, and I'm super excited about this coin. So if you got something out of this video, go ahead, smash up the like button if you've got something out of the video. Share this video with a friend or family member. Check out the Patreon, check out the Discord, check out the Telegram. We have a whole bunch of stuff happening there for free even. I will see you all later.